Eye. Presented here is our new range of classic brown pressed mineral eyeshadows. So we started with this range because we found that this was the most useful for people with both blue eyes and brown eyes. Now they are sold individually, just like the mineral eyeshadows that we already supply you with. In fact, there is more eyeshadow in each of these tin pans than there is in one of the mineral eyeshadows. So the colors we're presenting is Nude, Amber, Caramel and Expresso. Next month we are going to be coming out with a few more colors that are more festive. For example, the Snow White, the Sparkling Gold, and also Steel Grey and a darker shading black color. Now if you buy all 4 colors, you get a free magnetic tray. So this is magnetic, it is eco-friendly, made from cardboard, and these all fit nicely into this tray. And actually this fits 6 tin pans, so when the more colors come out, my favorite would be to add, say, Snow White and a grey in there. And of course it is magnetic, so it holds well. So you can buy each one individually, or if you buy all 4, you get all 4 plus the magnetic tray. Now when they are sent, they are a bit more delicate than the regular pressed eyeshadows that you buy. So we send them like this, and then you simply take them out, and then you can also put them into any tray. And if you have any magnetic trays already, you can also use them in there, or you can use them just like this. So here we have our new selection of pressed mineral eyeshadows, the classic brown range. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.